How to introduce yourself in college, first day.
Hey there. Are you here for the orientation too?
Oh, yes. Hi. I've been walking around trying to find the auditorium for like 15 minutes now.
Same here. I'm so glad I'm not the only one who's completely lost. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex. So, are you nervous about starting college?
Oh my God, yes. I've been thinking about how to introduce myself to people all week. Like, what do you even say? Do you just say your name and your major, or...
Right? I've been overthinking it too. My older sister told me that the first day is super important because that's when you make your first impressions.
Exactly. So, what approach are you planning to take?
Well, I was thinking I'd keep it simple at first. Like, hi, I'm Alex. I'm majoring in computer science and I'm from Portland. Something like that?
That's good. Short and sweet. But don't you think you should add something more personal, like a hobby or something that makes you, memorable?
You're right. I guess saying, I'm Alex and I code makes me sound like every other CS major, doesn't it?
Maybe a little. But hey, if coding is your passion, own it. Just maybe add something unique about yourself, too.
True, true. Okay, so what if I said something like, hi, I'm Alex. I'm majoring in computer science, and when I'm not coding, you can usually find me at the climbing gym or trying to beat my high score in chess. Does that sound better?
Yes, that's so much better. Now you sound interesting and approachable. People can connect with you over climbing or chess.
Thanks. What about you? What's your introduction going to be?
Well, I'm majoring in psychology and I'm from a small town about 2 hours from here. I was thinking of mentioning that I love reading and that I'm hoping to join the debate club.
That sounds great. But can I give you some feedback?
Of course. Please do.
So, maybe instead of just saying I love reading, you could mention what kind of books. That gives people more to talk to you about.
Oh, that's smart. So, like, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a psychology major from a small town called Riverside. I'm obsessed with mystery novels and true crime podcasts, and I'm hoping to join the debate club to, sharpen my arguing skills.
Perfect. See, now I already want to ask you what podcast you listen to.
Exactly. That's the point, right? To give people something to connect with.
Definitely. You know what else my sister told me? She said to ask questions too, not just talk about yourself. Yeah, that makes sense. Like, after you introduce yourself, you could say something like, what about you? What are you studying?
Right. Or, what made you choose this college? That's a good one because everyone has a story about that.
Oh, I like that. It shows you're genuinely interested in getting to know them.
Exactly. And it takes the pressure off both people, because then it becomes a conversation, not just a formal introduction.
Yeah, because formal introductions can be so awkward. Like when you're standing there and you've said your piece, and then there's just this weird silence,
Oh, God, I hate that. The awkward silence is the worst.
right? So, what do you do if that happens? Like, if you introduce yourself and the other person just kind of stares at you?
Mm, well, I guess you could ask them a follow-up question, like, so where are you from? Or what dorm are you in?
Good idea. Those are easy questions that everyone can answer without thinking too hard.
Yeah, and it keeps the conversation going. Oh, another thing, I think it's important to remember people's names.
Oh my gosh, yes. I'm terrible at that, though. I'll meet someone, and then 2 seconds later, I've forgotten their name.
Same. But I read this trick online where you repeat their name back to them when they tell you, like, nice to meet you, Sarah, instead of just nice to meet you.
Ooh, that's clever. Okay, does it actually work?
I tried it a few times over the summer, and yeah, it kind of does. It forces your brain to Register the name.
I'm definitely going to try that. Okay, so let's practice. Pretend we're meeting for the first time in class.
All right, let's do it. So, we're sitting next to each other and class is about to start.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. I'm Alex, by the way.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Is this your first class of the day?
Yeah, it is. I'm a little nervous, honestly. You?
Same here. So, what's your major, Alex?
Computer science. I'm really into coding and I also love rock climbing. What about you?
Oh, cool. I've always wanted to try rock climbing. I'm majoring in psychology, and I'm kind of obsessed with mystery novels.
No way! My roommate is a huge mystery fan. Have you read anything by Agatha Christie?
Okay, we can stop there. See, that felt pretty natural.
It did. And you remembered to use my name, I noticed.
I did. Your trick works. You know what I realized, though? It's easier when you have something specific to talk about, like the rock climbing thing or the books.
Totally. That's why it's good to mention hobbies or interests in your introduction. It gives people conversation starters.
Exactly. What if you're introducing yourself in a bigger group, though, like during those icebreaker activities?
Ugh, those can be so awkward. But I guess the same principles apply, right? Keep it short, make it interesting, and be yourself.
Yeah, but in a group, you probably want to be a bit more concise. Like, you don't want to ramble on while 10 other people are waiting their turn.
Good point. So maybe just, hi, I'm Alex, computer science, and I'm a rock climbing enthusiast, something quick like that.
Perfect. And maybe add one fun fact. Like, I once climbed a 50-foot wall. Or something.
I wish. Maybe I'll say, I'm terrified of public speaking, but I'm here anyway. That's pretty relatable, right?
Very. And it shows that you have a sense of humor about yourself. I think people really appreciate that.
Yeah, being too serious can make you seem unapproachable. But you also don't want to be a clown, you know?
Right. There's a balance. You want to be friendly and fun, but also, like, someone people can take seriously.
Exactly. Oh, here's something I was wondering about. What if someone asks you something you don't want to answer? Like, what if they get too personal right away?
That's tricky.